Hi friends, Vinay Kumar here, International NLP and IAS coach. In this video, my dear friends, I am going to help you understand the difference between boundaries and frontiers. Now the question is why it is important. It is important because you see a lot of border disputes that India has been experiencing from the time it got independence and it has got aggravated in the recent times, my dear friends, including the one in the Galvan Valley recently. Fair enough, my dear friends. So, being a ripe area as a question for our prelims, mains and interview, let's try to know what is differences between the boundary and the frontier, my dear friends. Okay, let me put it out like this. Boundary is political. Frontier is geographical. Did you get that, my dear friends? Boundary is artificially drawn by a state to demarcate its territorial jurisdiction. Its territorial jurisdiction. It has a territory. State, the government has a territory till which its jurisdiction extends to. Okay? When I say jurisdiction extends to, till where it can rule. Fair enough? So, this is an artificial line that is drawn for purely political reasons. Frontier is not like that. No one says, hey, this is my frontier, that is your frontier. Fair enough? Generally, frontier is a geography which is so non-ecumenish. When I say so non-ecumene-like, it means uninhabitable. Doesn't present good conditions for human habitation. Generally, the areas that are overlooked by human beings, for habitation and all that. Are you connecting to what like regions which are uninhabitable, unfavorable for human habitation? So, frontiers generally are those geographies that exist between the two countries, and the countries which are there on both sides do not see any need to go and demarcate their jurisdiction, or they do not they do not worry much on where they have to go and draw a boundary line, because they feel anyway this region is not fit for human habitation, so neither side would be interested. And that's where all the problems actually arise, as you are seeing in the recent current affairs, my dear friends. Are you connecting to what I am trying to tell you? So, we have arrived at two differences. Boundary is political. Frontier is geographical. It has nothing to do with politics, my dear friends. Boundary is artificial, drawn by human beings for political reasons. Frontier is natural. Okay? Boundary is a line. It's always a line that has been drawn by us for political reasons. Frontier is a zone. It's never a line. It's a zone. You have a very dense forest or a swampy area or a desert or a rugged mountain, something like that, my dear friends, which is separating, two inhabitable regions. Got that what I'm trying to tell you? Are you connecting to what I'm trying to tell you, my dear friends? Fair enough? Boundary always creates the divisive force. Two people on either side of the boundary do not look at each other's eyes, in most cases, as friends, because it's dividing. It's like, hey, I'm an Indian, you are a Chinese guy. I'm an Indian, you're a Pakistani. Fair enough? Are you connecting to what I'm trying to tell you? So, boundaries divide people because it's drawn for purely political reasons. Are you connecting to what I'm trying to tell you, my dear friends? Frontiers are unite people. Imagine, guys, there is a thick forest between the two states. All right? There are people going, the tribes who would go to dwell in this forest, depending on the forest produce and all that. And the tribes coming from here may actually become one tribe over a period of time after, integration and all that, my dear friends. After that, homogenization and all that. Are you connecting to what I'm trying to tell you? Absolutely, my dear friends. So, these are some of the common, commonly understood differences between the boundaries and the frontiers. Know this very well for your exam, my dear friends. Thank you all so much, my dear friends. In my next video on the boundaries and frontiers, I'm going to talk about the different types of boundaries that we as human beings draw and where we actually draw it. Yeah. Thank you so much, my dear friends. See you all in my next video.